Mastercam tutorial, we are going to explain how to set up different planes. One is from geometry, another one is from solid phase, another one is dynamic. And it is not necessary to use all three planes at time. Whatever you want, as per your model, you can select any one geometry or solid phase or dynamic for easy creating 3D model. First I have taken one model. In this model, from geometry I am going to use how to set up new planes or create planes. From geometry, at least you require two lines. Here there is no lines visible. In this case, go to wireframe, curve one edge, make it 3D. Suppose you want to work with these planes. Here you have to put it. Okay. Now you have created two lines. After creating two lines only, you can use geometry. First, if you are selecting this one, this will be x-axis. If you are selecting this one, this will be y-axis. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So now you can work with this surface. If you want to change it, you can also change it as per your requirement. So now this is okay for me. Then I will save it. Then the plane number 1, you can change it 1 or 2. You can put any number, any name as per your requirement. Just by default it is plane 1. I saved it here. Now I will work with this plane by simply go to geometrical view and putting 2D. Now I would like to make some circles or rectangular, means some circles I want to create here. Okay. See, the circles are created on particular plane. Now you can put, by using solid options, you can extrude or cut as per your requirements. Now I would like to cut. Here I will put 10 mm. Okay. See, this is one plane. Same thing, if you want to work with this surface, you can work with any surface. Now I will work with this cut. Now same method, there is no lines are visible. So go to wireframe, curve one edges. Suppose I would like to work with this plane, make it 3D and here, close it. Then we will go for from geometry options. First one, if you are selecting, this is x-axis. Second one, if you are selecting, this is y-axis. Okay. Now defaultly it is plane 2 coming. You have to save it. Plane 2, you have to go for geometric view and you can make it rectangular or whatever you want to design it. Now I will rotate. See, now I am created anything on this particular plane by using geometric method. Now you can extrude there, create upward maybe 5 mm. This is as per your model. Make it odd boss. Now I would like to work with this plane. So always two lines required, remember that. I will go for curve one edge. I created two lines. Okay. Now I will go for the geometry. First one x-axis, second one is y-axis. You can rotate and see X and Y is available here. Okay. Now it is, I am saving plane 3. Then go to plane 3. Now instead of putting rectangular and circle, I am creating some letters. European, just the letter size you can increase it. It is bigger, so I will go for 4 mm. It is there. Now I can place this position. Okay. Now you can see it is placed on that particular plane. You can go for extrude or cut operations by using solids. Extrude, go to these operations, here, make it 5 mm or 6 mm, or you want to cut it, you can cut by changing the direction. See, it is cut inside. If you are zooming only, it will see that. So in this way you can work with any planes anywhere. If you want to work with this surface by using this one, again we will require curve 1 edge, means I would like to work with this and this. Okay, then go to from geometry method, first one select is x axis, second one select is y axis. It is plane 4, I have to save it. Then plane 4, then I will go for some small circular portion I would like to draw here, and here also I draw here. Then I will make it extrude by using chain option. Cut body through all. See here. So where you want to work it, you can work it anywhere, any place. Nothing is important. Just you go to here from geometry, but you keep in mind that 2 lines are minimum required or must required to using that geometry methods. Suppose now again I am going to use these small portions. Here curve 1 edge, here also there, you have to work it. Go to geometry, first one is x axis, second one is y axis, make it plane 5, you have to save it, and plane 5 you have to go for here. Then here you can write or make it circles or create letters or small rectangulars. Just I am making one small rectangular for showing purpose only. It is not important that I am putting rectangular or circular. Just I am showing that how to put or how to use this. Now I am going to explain that second method from solid phase. In this solid phase there is no need of 2 lines. Any one surface is required. You can select any one, any place. Suppose I would like to work with this plane. Then it is default plane 1. I go to save it. Then go to geometric view. Then I can create circular Okay, then I can show, then I can extrude some portions, whatever you want to do it. After that, selection is more important here. Cut body, opposite directions, through all. Okay. Now I would like to work with this plane. Once again I am telling you that there is no need of lines, only surface or solid face is important. Go to this one. From solid face I would like to work with this face. Okay, then it is saved under that plane 2. Okay, then go to geometrical view. Now you can work with here one small rectangular portion. Okay, now we can extrude. Instead of create body and put it opposite sides, maybe 10 mm, then put hard boss. See here. Now I would like to work with this area. You see, then go to solid face. Here important, click plane 3, you go to save it and go to geometric view and make it wireframe. You can work with holes. Actually it is created here itself. Okay, now you can go for solids, extrude here. Okay, cut body through all. If you are using both directions it will cut. See here. Now I would like to write something on this area, these places. Go to here, solid face. I would like to work with here. Then plane 4, you go to save it. Okay, now I am creating some letters. Again, it is not important, you can put anywhere anything, but for showing purpose I am putting here maybe 4. Here it is more, you go to change European or whatever want. Now it go to 3 and reselect it. Mastercam, if you want you can change it any place here. Okay, here now I want to projection, extrude here. Create hard boss, maybe 5 mm. You see, I created letters on this particular surface. As per your requirement, you can use geometry or solid face. Now next method, using dynamic. For using this dynamic, there is no need of two lines, there is no need of surface. You can put anywhere, any place. See, I can use it, I can click it, it will be available here. I can click it, it will be available here. If I want to click it anywhere, here I would like to work with I would like to work this plane, this top, this area, wherever you want it. It is simplest and easiest method, but you should understand and remember that there is no need of lines or surfaces or solids. You can put anywhere, any place, and you can work with. First simple I am putting here. It is plane 3. Save it. Then I will put one small rectangular here. And make it. Rest of the things are you can make it. Whether you can extrude or cut or make it odd bars as per your requirements. Selection of planes and setup is important. Here I would like to work with this area. Go to dynamic. Here it is plane 4. Click it. You can work with circulars. We want cut or project. I have projected and put odd bars here. Now I will work with this area. Go to dynamic, take here, okay. You can make it here. You can make it 3D also by using 3D view, or you can make it this view also. Now I will work with rectangulars on small portions. I will make it extrude options, cut, reverse through all. Now I am going to use this plane. Here I will write something on there, like what I did in that solid phase also. Here I will use it. I will go for dynamic. Here you can rotate. Here it is X and this is Y, and you have to save on plane 6. Make it. Then you can write down this one. You can go for wireframe options, create letters, go to this options, European. You can go for dynamic, make it size 5, place it, and it is here. Then I would like to project here by using these rectangular options. Create body, make it 5. See, I created dynamic. It is not important. The important is where you want to work it. You can work it anywhere, any place. Now I would like to work with this area. Dynamic, you can work it any place you require. In this tutorial I explained all three selection methods, from geometry method, from solid phase method, and dynamic methods. You can use any one method as per your model.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.